Welcome to 2015. New semester, new schedule, and don't forget, New Year's resolutions. This semester, make a resolution to get off campus and discover what lies beyond the front gate. At the intersections of Main Street and Coffee Street in downtown Greenville, there are tons of cool things to do. First, visit Mass General Store, where you can find cool trinkets and a wide variety of things to shop for. Once your shopping is done, head across the road to check out Trio Brick Oven Cafe. I even got the opportunity to talk to General Manager Todd Criswell, who told us a little bit more about the restaurant.
So here at Trio, we cook with a brick oven, and our brick oven is fired by wood. So we take wood logs, throw them in the oven, get the oven up to several hundred degrees, and then the brick will essentially cook the pizza from the bottom up, and then the oven and the heat from the top. It really is an art form. If you are not careful, you can burn the pizza really easy. So we have to have guys that are true artists in making the pizzas and then making sure that we don't burn them, so that we can deliver a product that customers are going to come back for. We've been here 19 years this coming June, so we're doing something right.
So start the new year off right by grabbing some friends and checking out Main Street in downtown Greenville. With WVJU, I'm Kirsten Davis, bringing you life beyond the front gate.